Access NEXGEN TV on your smart TV. Check your TV. Find out what type of smart TV you have. Each TV might look different depending on the brand. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. You can use Wi-Fi or a wired connection. Smart TV without NEXGEN TV app. If your TV isn't a smart TV, you can still get NEXGEN TV on your Roku, Fire TV Stick or Chromecast. Plug it in your TV's HDMI port. Use your remote to look for the NEXGEN TV app on your home screen. It's a blue icon with the NEXGEN TV in white. Can't find the app? Use the magnifying glass icon to search and download the NEXGEN TV app. Log in, enter your NEXGEN TV username and password. Select your profile. You're now ready to explore and watch content. Navigating the menu, pick from channels, movies, series, and catch-up TV. Watch movies. Select a movie tile. Press select to enter. Pick play movie to watch the movie, or play trailer to view the trailer. Watch series. Highlight the season you want to choose and select the episode you want to play. If you're looking for something specific, tap the magnifier icon. Type the name. Use the on-screen keyboard to enter the show or movie name. Choose the tile and press enter. Catch-up TV. Go back and watch past shows. Pick the channel, date, and the program from the list. Watch live TV. Select the channels option from the menu on the left. Browse channels. Scroll through the list and use the drop-down to search by categories.
You're a genius.
I know, but what'd I say?
NEXGEN TV, the ultimate way to watch TV.